Fine. So guys, as I told you, we need to download the two softwares. Okay, one is Sonarqube Scanner, another one is the Sonarqube server. Okay, so this is for the Sonarqube server. So just click on this. Just click on this download. It will get download. Okay, and that is for Sonarqube server. And this is for the Sonarqube Scanner. Okay, you need to download the software according to your environment. That is your Linux, Windows, or Mac operating system. Okay. So basically, you need to download the two softwares. Okay, one is Sonarqube server, another one is the Sonarqube scanner. Okay, so once it is downloaded, it will be in a zip file, guys. Okay, so I have already downloaded. I am not going to download it one more time. Okay, so under Devops tool, I have mentioned these two one. Okay, this is for the Sonarqube. Okay, 7.3 version when I have downloaded this, and Sonarqube scanner. Okay, so you need to place these two files same location only. Okay, and then so we need to set the environment variables how we have set for the Apache Maven, right? Like the same here also we need to set the environment variables for the Sonarqube server. Okay, so let's do the same. So do a right click on your my computer and select the properties and click on advanced system settings. Under that, select the environment variables, and then in a system variable set the what do you call environment variables for your Sonarqube scan. And one more thing is you need to set the environment variables for the scanner, guys, not for the server. Okay, so where is my scanner? So this is what my scanner here, guys. Okay, Sonarqube scanner. Just go into this. So this is the home directory of our Sonarqube scanner, guys. So what you need to do, just copy this location, okay, and paste it in a notepad. Okay, so under this location my scanner is available. So how to set the environment variables? In a capital letter, you need to set sonar underscore scanner underscore home. Okay, so this is the value. Sorry, this is the name here. Right, and the value for this is above one. So this is the value for your Sonarqube scanner. Right, so let me show you here. Okay, I'm just set the I already set the environment variables. Just I'm showing it by selecting the edit command. Okay, the variable name is sonar underscore scanner underscore home, and this is the location where my Sonarqube is available, scanner is available. Okay, like the same you need to do it in a what do you call it, Apache Maven, right? The same one. Okay, so this is for the Sonarqube scanner, and once it is done, we need to call this one. Okay, how to call in a path location? You need to call this one. So in a Windows machine, we have to use percentage symbol to call any of the variable. Okay, so what is the name? So this is the name. So for this one, we have set the environment variable, right? So just paste it here under percentage symbols. Okay, and give slash bin directory, because under bin directory my binaries will be available, and before that I need to add a semicolon here. So this is the same command which we need to set in a path location. Okay, so where is the path? In the same location. Okay, under system advanced variable system settings environment variables. So first we set the environment, what you call Sonarqube underscore scanner underscore home, right? And then press P in your keyboard. It will show the path here. So click on edit. Okay, and click on end key in your keyboard. Okay, it will go to the end location. Okay, and then you need to set the environment variable like this. Okay, as you can see the same now. Okay, see the same one I have done here, right? Okay, so once it is done, we can check whether the installation is correct or no. So how to check? So go to the command prompt cmd. Okay, under that try for sonar underscore scanner, sorry, sonar underscore scanner and -v. Correct. So yes, 1 second. Sonar hyphen scanner. It is not underscore, it is hyphen. It is hyphen guys, not minus. Okay, sonar hyphen scanner hyphen b. Okay, if you get the version number of your Sonarqube scanner, then what the installation we have done, it is correct guys. Okay, so right now we have got the scanner information. Okay, and it is of a Windows 7, Java is 1.8, and as I told you, Java is mandatory guys, otherwise it will not run. Okay, right? So this is the way, you need to set the environment variables in a Windows machine, whereas in a Linux it is an assignment guys. Just try it out. Okay, and make sure, don't try guys now. Okay, if you have a VMware machine of a 4 GB of RAM, then you can try, but don't do it in a Amazon line, sorry, what do you call it, AWS cloud. Okay, because once you what do you call it, take the license, right, we need to terminate it. If you forget that, then you will get a big bill there. Okay, so avoid that one. I will show in the later on sessions. Okay, okay, so this is what the installation guys. Then so under Sonarqube scanner, under Sonarqube scanner, there is a one folder called as a conf folder guys. There is a configuration folder. There is a one file called as a sona-scanner.properties file. Okay, just open it with the notepad. Okay, so this is what the URL guys of the Sonarqube server. Okay, so in what do you call Nexus, what is the default port number? 8081 was the default port number, right? So here in a Sonarqube, so this is a 9000 is a port number. If you want to change this one, okay, what you need to do is just uncomment it like this and change the port number, whatever the port number you require. Okay, and right now you can see there is a local host. In a real time it will be showing the IP address of your machine. Simple. Okay, this is a one configuration file. Just cannot. Then under Sonarqube server, so here also you'll find a one configuration folder. Open this, and one more thing guys, this is a wrapper.config file is there, right? Sorry, if you make the improper shutdown guys, okay, this wrapper files get corrupt here. Okay, that is the regularly it happens. Okay, if you make a improper shutdown or something happens, this wrapper files will get corrupt here. Okay, what you need to do is just change this wrapper file. Okay, it will start again. Okay, then there is a one more folder file called as a sonar.properties. Just open it with the notepad. Okay, so as I told you, it supports a multiple databases, right? So what are the databases here? Okay, so H2 is the default database. Okay, and what all this it supports? It supports MySQL, Oracle, Postgres, Microsoft SQL Server, right? So these are all the database it supports. Okay, and how to connect it here? Okay, so just here you can see, right, the sonar.jdbc.url is there, right? So just change this location to your URL, I mean your database URL. Okay, that is a simple thing. Otherwise you don't need to do any extra task also. Okay, it's simple. If you wants to configure any additional database, otherwise it is not required. Then anything else here? I think it's only those two was important thing. Okay, just close this. Okay, then how to start this Sonarqube then? Okay, so under bin directory, okay, you will find the folders according to your operating system. Mine is the Windows 64. So click on this, and there you will find a one file called as a start sonar.bat. Okay, we need to run this script. Okay, then your Sonarqube machine will get start sonar.bat. If you get an error guys, right now here, if the wrapper corrupted, something error related to wrapper, just change the wrapper file. Okay, because frequently the file will get corrupt because of improper shutdown or some other files configuration. The file will get corrupt easily. Okay, So just give a backup of the wrapper file.
So we need to take a
And once the
backup first, then
Sonarqube will
only.
get, sorry, Raja.
So for wrapper file, once we installed, we need to get a we need to take a backup copy. After that, if that is corrupted, we need to replace. That's what you're trying to say.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
If it corrupts, okay, otherwise not required. Okay, so once this starts, what you need to do is go to your browser. Okay, type local host. So what is the port number, guys? So the port number is 9.
Okay.
That is the default port number for Sonarqube server. It is not giving response because it is not at started still. And the default credentials for this is admin. Username is also admin and password is also admin, guys. Whereas when Nexus, the username default credentials are username is admin, password is admin. Okay, it is starting now. Time will start. So once it's completed, guys, then we'll start on Jenkins. That is the main topic. And please don't miss the Jenkins because whatever right now we have started, we will integrate all it with Jenkins. And we'll start doing from there.
Sir, I'm getting your voice breakage intermittently. I don't know how about others.
So same
Yes,
here, sir.
everybody is facing the same.
Yes, sir.
Oh, sorry. Is it breaking or how it is?
No, it's fine, but previously it's just breaking.
Okay. Okay. If it is a disturbance, then it is with the fan, guys. Okay. If there is a disturbance, let me know. I will switch off the fan. Just a second. Is it fine now, guys?
Yes, sir.
It's
Better.
fine.
Okay. Okay. Sorry. So this is what the dashboard, guys, of our Sonarqube server. Okay. So as I told you, it supports 20 plus programming languages. So these are all the programming languages it supports. Okay, you can see Java, COBOL, BAP, HTML, Groovy. So for all these languages, Sonarqube supports, guys. Okay, basically it was started for the Java here. Okay, and later on nowadays they are supporting to all these 20 plus programming languages. But how it is identifying, guys? Okay, basically it is on extensions, right? Like PHP, you'll be finding the extension of .php, right? Okay, and for Java it will be having a Java extension, right? And for SQL you'll be finding the SQL extension. So basically on base of extensions it is identifying is what kind of code it is. Okay, Then, and as I told you, one more component was there in a Sonarqube server, right? So that is the compute engine. So as I told you, compute engine, what is the task of that compute engine? It is used to segregate the codes into three. It is going to segregate the codes, right, into three categories. One is bugs, and three is second one is the vulnerabilities, and third one is the code smells. So this is what the it is performing, guys. Okay. And right now you can see there is one project, it is analyzed. It is the last time I have done it since. Okay, I will delete that one. Okay, then yeah, and one more thing is here, see, even though I have not logged in here, okay, when I click on this project, analyze it, right, but still we can able to check here. Okay, what are the bugs is there, vulnerabilities is there, okay, like that. So in the real time our developer will be checking like this only. Okay, we used to share the URL for them. In the front end they can able to check it out. Okay, even though they don't have a credentials, okay, if they are not logged in also they can able to check, but administrative part they can't do anything. Okay, only the project related information they can check. Okay, so let me log in. So what is the default credentials? That is the admin and admin. So let me know, guys, if my voice disturbance is there. Okay.
Yes, sir, it's there.
Sorry.
Yes, sir. Previously we got that voice breakage.
No, now it is clear or no?
Now it is clear, sir.
Yeah, that is what I asked. If you guys face the same issue again, please let me know. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, now it is clear. Nothing is zero project. It is analyzed. Now what we will do, we will analyze the project. Okay, we will check the our source code, whether what are the vulnerabilities is there, bugs is there, right? So all these things we will check now. Okay, using this Sonarqube. And one more thing I want to show. Okay, I will show that one later on. So let me go to our project. So yeah, here it is. Let me take the same project. So CMD. So what is the command? MVN sonar sonar. Okay, that is the command to analyze the your codes. Okay, quality of the code. Okay, enter. So what is the first sonar and what is the second sonar, guys? The first sonar is the plugin name. Second sonar is the goal name, guys. That is an interview question. Okay. Okay, it is success now. So now what you can do is go to your dashboard of the Sonarqube server. So just refresh it. Okay, as you can see, it has analyzed the project. So when it has analyzed on August 12, 9:25 p.m. Okay, that means 1 minute back it has analyzed this. Okay, and what is this 216? Okay, 216 indicates the number of code, I mean number of lines of code here. Okay, and XML is it have a content of XML and Java. Okay, and for this project there is a 0 bugs and 0 vulnerabilities, and third one is there is a 3 code smells. Okay, so now what we need to do is let's go and check here. Okay, click on this. Okay, so on the code smells you can see 17 minutes. So this indicates the developer requires 17 minutes to fix this 3 code smells. Okay, so let me click on this. Okay, it will show all the where exactly the issue is. Okay, and what is the thing he has to do. Okay, we can see in the line number 17. Okay, it is they are saying that replace @request mapping method equal to request mapping method dot get. Okay, with get mapping. Okay, so this thing developer will be knowing us, we no need to worry. Okay, just an information perspective I am saying here. Okay, and then in the second one they are saying that remove the declaration of thrown exception. Okay, org.json exception, which is a runtime exception. Okay, they are asking you to remove this declaration here. And third one, they are saying that replace this use of system.out or system.error by a logger. They are saying that whatever there is an issue with the system.out or system.error by a logger. Okay, and you can see it is a bad practice as well. Okay, like this it will shows the generates a report, guys, like this. Okay, so the developer will go and check in this specific location and they will fix the issue. Okay, and then it will generate a report one more time. Okay, so this is what the Sonarqube does now. Okay, so any doubts here?
One query. So what is the difference between bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smells? What exactly that functionality the term is referring?
So bugs in the sense it is an okay, what is say that means the code is not working properly or something, it is not correct. Okay, and the code smells in the sense it is an about to get, it may become a bug or something. Okay, it is indicating that generally we can ignore that, the developer can ignore the code smells. Okay, but it is indicating that it may be in future it may become a problem using that code. Okay, that is what the code smells. Okay, then vulnerabilities, how we can say, like a patch we will be uploading, right, updating, so that is called as a vulnerabilities. That means they are fixing some of the issues, right, so that is called as a vulnerabilities. I'm not sure exactly with the vulnerabilities.
Okay, sir. So can you please give me any examples of a bug and code smell? So in code smell there is something which is mentioned, right? Bad practice and all. So code smell.
See, let's say bugs I will say. Okay, let's say I want I have logged into my amazon.com. Okay, without any credentials it has logged in automatically. Okay, but that thing it should not happen, right? Okay, that is a bug. Otherwise if I open the facebook.com, okay, if it logins automatically using it, it is taking your credentials. Okay, some other person's credential automatically it is taking, but it is not a proper way, it is not correct, that is a bug. Okay, so code smell in the sense in the future it may become a problem. Okay, that it is indicating in future it will, they have to avoid this one.
Okay, sir. So it seems that Sonarqube is internally executing the code once from his end. You mean to say
Sorry.
that one? So you just said an example, right, regarding to the bug. So if without asking credential, it was logged into my profile without asking the credentials and also, right. So it seems that whatever the code that we have given to the Sonarqube, it internally executes inside that Sonarqube and is giving the bugs, vulnerabilities, and code smells itself.
Yes,
Is that
correct.
the
So basically it is having the some rule sets. Okay, so whenever you execute the command nvn sonar, it, let's say if you have 100 rule sets you have specified for that. okay, for your project, then it will check all the rule set. Rules in the sense, one by one rule, it will go and check with the source code. Okay, and then it generates a report. I will show that rules. Here it is a tab, right? Rule sets. There I will show it. Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir.
comes the, okay. So under project, okay, under project, guys, here all your projects. Okay, first tab. Then comes the issues. Okay, under issues tab, nothing changes, guys. If you have a n number of
Sir,
projects, so all the issues.
one dot. Yeah, sorry to break you. See,
Sure.
bugs it is related to JUnit bugs, unit testing bugs.
The entire thing it is going to check, Manjunath. So whatever the developer has wrote the code, right? So each and every line by line it is going to check whether it is
Okay,
a
even
JUnit or it,
okay, inclusive of JUnit.
yes, yes, yes. Each and everything it will check.
Okay, okay.
Okay. Yeah, sure. So in the issues tab, guys, okay, if you have n number of projects, so all the issues will be, it will be displayed here only, okay, in a one single page. Okay, so these two are common one. Okay, then comes the rules. So this is important. Okay, so under rule set, okay, as you can see, the Java programming language, you can see it is having the 491 rule sets, guys. Okay, let's say when you execute the command mvn sonar : it is checking all these 491 rule sets. If the project succeeds all the 491, then only it generates a report, guys. Okay, like that for Java it is 491, for Python it is 385, and C# it is 352, JavaScript 199. Like for all these things it is having their own rule sets, guys. Okay, in total you can see the 1923 rule sets of a Sonarqube. Okay, so let's say if you want to check for the Java here, so here are the rule sets here. Okay, that
Can we
means
add?
some of the
Can we? Sorry, can we add our own rule? Can we customize the
no.
rules?
Yeah, we can customize in the sense, instead of running the 491 rule set, okay, we can minimize it. Okay, whatever the developers ask for the, let's say he don't want all these 491 rule sets to be executed for his project. Okay, he want only some of the rule sets to be executed. That customization we can do. Okay, but not, we cannot add the 491 rule sets, okay, above on top of it to the Sonarqube. It is not possible.
Okay. So even in the existing rule, we cannot do any changes.
No, we cannot do any changes. Instead of that, we can customize in the, I mean,
Okay.
in the 491
What,
rule sets.
okay, what to be included, what not to be.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
Okay, so these are all the 491 rule sets for a Java programming. Okay, so when we check here, so this is the last time we executed, right? Yeah. Otherwise, we can see it in a front end only. Okay, so here you can see under quality profiles. Okay, the Java is Sonar way, and it is also Sonar way here. Okay, that is what I wanted to show here. What we will do is, so right now it is the 491 rule sets for my, since mine is a Java based program, right? It is taking the 491 rule sets. Okay, I don't want it should execute all these 491 rule sets, guys. Okay, so what we need to do is, as Manjunath asked, we how to customize this one. Okay, so there is a one more option called as a quality profiles. Okay, so what is a quality profiles? Quality profiles are a collection of rules, okay, to apply during an analysis. Okay, so what are the rule sets we have used, right? So that rules we can able to customize it here. Okay, in a quality profiles. Okay, so how to customize here? Okay, so since ours is okay, just a second, I've just removed this one. Where it went? Yeah, here it is. So this is for JavaScript. Yeah, here this is the one. Okay. So if you wants to create your own rule set here, rule set in the sense whatever the rules we have right now, 491 rule set for a Java, in that 491 rule set, if my developer says, okay, to execute only, to select only some of the rule sets, okay, not the all 491, okay, only the customized rule set he wants to add it and execute a okay. So click on this create, okay, and provide the name of the profile here. Okay, so what we will do is we can provide the name here like okay, we'll provide it as the custom Java rule set. Okay, so for which programming language we are using? For Java. Okay, select the Java here. Okay, and click on create. Okay, so once it is done, so right now you can see it is having the 0 active rules. Okay, in order to change this one, what you can do is just click on this add activate more.
One more question, Tushar.
Uh-huh.
Is it whatever the rule we set, it's specific to the project? Because if I have multiple projects, the same profile will be used, or I can set different profile for different projects.
No, it is not possible. So only the same profile can be used here.
Okay.
If you're customizing it for some of the rule set, we can use the same profile for all your project as well. Okay, so for a Java, you can see there is a 491. So here is the 491 rule sets, guys. So what you can do is, so whenever the your developer asks to customize this one, just ask what are the rules he requires. Okay, and select accordingly. So for my demonstration, what I will do, I will just select randomly. So I'm just selecting randomly, guys. Okay. Yes. Someone has unmuted. Yes, guys. Any questions?
So I have a question actually. So, as
Sure.
Manjunath said that for different project we cannot use the different custom profiles, right? So it means that
Different. One second. Different project in the sense for Java program. I'm saying. Okay. If you have any other JavaScript or something, you can customize that. There is no issues.
yeah, sir. So say for example, I have two Java projects. Okay. So if I'm trying to customize the role, so for a language, I can customize only one time, and I can reuse for all the projects, not two times. So yeah, I cannot create two customized projects, two customized for Java, correct? So for one language,
I'll
one time, only one time customization.
one second. One second. I will show you that one. Okay. One second. So I just selected some of the what we call rule set, guys. Okay. One second. I will show that one how to do. Sorry. Okay, so right now it is having the 6 active rules, guys. Okay, randomly I have selected the 6 here. Okay, now what we will do is go to your quality profiles. Under that, you can see here the Java profile is there, right? So what you can do is just click on this. Like now you can see there is a 6 rule sets and it is not analyzed present to any of your project right now. Okay, what you can do is just click on this. Okay, and set as default. Okay, now your Java will analyze not with all this 327, guys. Okay, so 491 internally it is changing here. Okay, so right now for my custom Java rule set, it is set the 6 rule set. Right now it will not execute all the 327, it will execute only the 6 one. Okay, so let me save this. Okay, and analyze the report. So how to analyze? Again, go to your project and execute mvn sonar : just a second. CLS mvn sonar. it is built success. How to check means just go to it. So click on your project and you can see here under quality profiles you can see for Java. So this is what I have used here, Java custom rule set. Okay, in this way you can change the rule sets, guys. Okay, so let me go
Yes,
back
yes,
to
clear.
quality profile. Yeah, let me go back to this Java profile. Then if you want you can make it use of this one. Okay, otherwise you can make the default one, that is a Sonarqube as the default one. You can make this one as well. Okay, there is no issues, it's left to you guys. Okay, it is for a programming language basis here. Okay, so this is what the quality profile does, guys. Okay, I have done only for the Java. Okay, if you want you can change it for what do you call it? XML was there, right? So in my project, okay, I have not changed any changes for the XML here, only for a Java I have used it just for a demonstration purpose, guys. So this is what the quality profile does. Okay, so clear, guys? Anything here?
So one more question, as you said, so in your project, there is a tom.xml and other codes, right? So there are two types of codes. One is a XML code and another one is a Java code. So now we have customized the rule set for only Java. Java. So
Mhm.
for Java only, these 6 rule sets are executed, and for XML, all the rule sets are executed. Can I take like that?
Yeah, so same one. You can see under quality profile for Java, it has used mine. Okay, there is a custom Java rule set. This one I have created. Okay, whereas the XML it has used a Sonarqube. That is the default one.
Yes, yes, I got it, got it.
Java means it's only for a core Java, or it includes other components also, Tushar?
Whatever the code in Java, either core Java or normal Java, whatever it is. Okay, whatever it comes with the extension of .java, it will analyze.
Okay.
Okay, it is basically identifying on basis of extensions. Okay. Now comes the quality gates, guys. Okay. So quality gates, as I told you, it is based on the accuracy of your code. Okay, let's say my code is above 80% or 85%, then only we can go for the next process. That is what the quality gates does, guys. So the default one is the Sonarqube. Okay, in the last one I saw you saw it. It seems okay. Sorry, the default one is the Sonarqube followed by quality gates. Okay, quality profiles Sonarqube. This one I have changed here, and the quality gate, that is a Sonarqube. That is the default one. Okay, if you want to change this rules, okay, what you can do is just click on this create, okay, and give the name here. Okay, so custom, I'm just giving the name here. Custom quality gates, and click on save. Okay, once it is created, what you can do is just click on this add condition. You can provide any condition, guys, here. Okay, so let's say we'll take the example of the code coverage. Okay, what is the operator you want to select? Okay, let's say it is having the code coverage is greater than operator I'm using. So what is the warning you wants to give, and what is the error here? Okay, so let's say we'll give the 85%. Here is, yeah, and click on add condition. Okay, so here it is saying this. So like this, you can able to create the ones. I mean, what are the conditions you require for your project? Okay, and then create it like this. And once it is done, what you can do is just click on this set as default. So it will analyze using this code coverage gate. That is your custom quality gates. Okay. So again, what you can do is in order to check that, again, analyze your program once more time. Okay, it is success now. Just click on refresh the page. Okay, so click on the and you can see the quality gates, guys. Okay, that is the custom quality gates. This is the one which I have configured now. Okay, like this you can able to create on your own quality gates, guys. Quality profiles and quality gates, guys. Okay, so in this Sonarqube you won't get much questions, guys. Not much. There is one or two questions they may get. What is the port number? How we can configure that? Okay, and what is quality profiles and what is quality gates? So all these things, the small questions they will ask. Okay, it is much in this Sonarqube. And then comes the administration here. Under administration, okay, configuration here. Okay, it is nothing. So under security, you can able to create the your users here. Okay, just a second. Let me delete this, deactivate. Okay, so by default you'll be having the admin user, that is the admin, the what is the credentials I have created, right? Like the same one. So click on this create user if you wants to create a new user and provide the username. So name, I mean that means to say login name. You can see right now I have logged in using admin, but you can see only it is visible. Okay, that it is. Okay, and normal email id and password. Okay, that is one simple one. Okay, and in the if you want to make that as the administrator here, by default you will be having the sonar user, but the sonar administrator will be unticked one. Just select it one. Okay, in unselected one it will be available. Just select it and create it. Yes, someone was asking something.
Yes, sir. Are we creating an accounts for the developers?
No, we are not creating anything.
You
Basically we are sharing the URL to them,
okay?
because
So
even
just
though
they will
if
see
you
the
are
report.
not.
Okay.
Yes. Because you can see in the starting only I told you this one. Right now I have logged in,
Yes,
right?
you
So just
told me.
yeah. So even though you are not logged in, we can able to check it out here. We are not going to
But
create any
what
users.
is the user then directly we can-
Sorry, Manjunath. I think my voice is breaking or yours. I don't know. Sorry for that. So basically, in this one, they cannot do any administrative task here, like
Hmm.
changing the quality profiles and quality gates. They cannot able to do that. Okay, so you have to log in for that. Okay, when you check on this quality profiles, let's say this Java here, right? Click on this. It is not available. Option is not available. You can see they are not going to give any administrative privileges for them. Okay, they can only check here in a front end. Okay, if you want to
Sorry,
change any of,
I
sorry.
lost your audio for yeah,
Okay, I think
briefly.
it issues from, yeah, I think issues from my end only. One second, Manjunath, I'm just making you as a administrator. Okay,
Okay.
organize the, just 1 minute, I will be back. So I hope you are the organizer now, right? Hello guys, can anybody hear me now?
Yeah.
Yes, Tushar.
Okay, thank you. Let me share my screen. Yeah, Manjunath. So I hope it is clear now.
Hello.
Yeah, hello Manjunath. Can you able to hear me?
No, again,
Yes,
it
sir.
got,
Your voice
Sir, we are
is
able to
clear,
hear you.
but I think there is a problem in Manjunath's side.
Okay.
okay.
Manjunath, just disconnect and join on what. So basically, as per Manjunath question, right? So we will be sharing only the URL for them. Okay. We are not going to create any credentials for them. Okay. And they cannot do any administrative tasks like changing the quality profiles or quality grades. Okay, it is not possible for them. So for that we need to, and right now you can see guys. Okay, just cancel it out. You can see there is no administrative tab here. Okay, once you log in, then only that admin tab will be available. See guys. Okay, so click on this administration. So under security. Okay, if you want, you can create a user, guys. I will show you. Okay, let's say I'll create a user now called as a Devops, and
So one more
Devops is the
question. So if you're
name.
not giving to developer, so for whom we will create these users and give it the credentials?
Just an example I'm giving, what do you call, Raja. Okay.
Okay, so in real time, it's of no use.
No, it's not required. Okay. Only the admin privilege will be available. So we should not use that one. Just once you log in, just change the password for the admin here. Or else we can create a restricted users we can able to create. Okay, you can see the DevOps user and you can see it is of Sonar administrator and this is for the Sonar user. Okay, if you want this guy to be administrator, okay, what you can do is just click on this update here and you can see under selected the user Sonars is available. Under unselected, you will be find the Sonar administrator. Okay, select on this and then this DevOps will also, this user will also become an administrator. Okay, and in the next option, you'll see the tokens here. Tokens is a binary format of a password. Okay, so when we will be using this one in the sense, we will be using this one in a Jenkins. So why means in order to give the permissions, I mean, what do you call, in order to log in from a Jenkins, I want the Jenkins user to be log in, right, and perform the task. Okay, so for that, we need to provide the username and password. Okay, in the username and password we needs to provide, right, but in the basic language we are not going to provide, we are going to provide it in a binary format. So for that we are using this tokens here. Okay, if you want, you can generate one token, there is no issues. Demo. Okay, click on generate. So this is what the token is. So just copy this one and paste it in a Jenkins. Okay, it will make a configuration between those two, Jenkins and this Sonarqube here. Okay, in order to authenticate, we are using these tokens. Okay, simple.
Tushar,
Then,
yeah, one more question. Developer for developing a code, okay.
mhm.
If we bypass the Sonarqube, it directly pushes to the Git. So will we come to know about that?
See, when we are, they have to push the code to the Git. Okay, but what we will
Yes.
do is we will get the code from the Git. Okay, and then we will give that code to the Sonarqube to check. Okay, and once it is
So
done, then
Sonarqube is analyzed by the DevOps, not the developer.
for this one we are using, as a DevOps engineers we are using this one. Okay, developer will not use. So for them they are using the, what do you call, Sonar
No,
lint.
for example, if I am a developer, okay, I write a code, I want to check my code matches all the rules. So I use
That is what I,
the command. Yes.
yeah, that is what I
So
told. They can use the Sonar
yeah,
lint. lint, sonar lint. Yesterday I told you, right?
Okay.
They in
Yes,
their
yes,
machine
yes.
we will
Yeah.
be installing the sonar lint. Sonar lint and Sonarqube both are the same. Okay, it will be installed in the local machine, developer machine, whereas the Sonarqube is for DevOps engineers.
So this also follows the same set of rules, sonar lint.
Yes,
Correct, right?
yes, yes,
Yeah.
same.
Okay.
Yes, exactly. Okay, and nothing much, guys, here. Okay, and the
So,
system.
so two
Yeah, go ahead,
types
man.
of validation will happen. Yeah, two types of validation happens. One from a developer using sonar lint, another from DevOps team using this command.
Yes, correct.
Sonar. Yeah, okay.
MVN, sonar
So
colon, sonar.
uh, each time we have to do run that analysis and check it out. Correct, right?
Yes, yes, yes. It is a one-time configuration, Manjunath. Okay, we need to configure it in a Jenkins in a one shot. Later on, Jenkins only will take care of it. We don't need
Jenkins
to
will
worry.
take care of it. Okay, yeah.
Yeah, whenever the job triggers from the Jenkins, it will take care of it. Okay, we don't need to worry for that.
Okay.
Okay, so under system, you will find the system related. Yes, hello.
Yes, sir. As per you, we have to just integrate with Jenkins and all the works Jenkins as per the settings it will do. Right, sir?
Yes, exactly. Okay, but we should know how exactly it works, right? So hence I'm teaching all these tools separate independently. Okay, once you have a thorough knowledge on these tools, okay, then we will integrate in a Jenkins.
Sir,
Then
got it.
in
Thank you.
then Jenkins will take care of each and every process till deployment. Okay, there will be no manual intervention. Okay, under system, guys, you will find the system related information here, like where is your home directory, data directory, temp directory, all these things. Okay, some basic information it will be available. And as I told you, it will be having the database called as a database H2 database, that is a default database, because we have not configured any additional database here. Okay, and basically in the real time also it is not required, guys. Okay, an additional database here, they'll be using the S2 one only. Okay, and this driver version, some basic information, guys. Apart from that, nothing much here. Okay, so this is what the Sonarqube, it is a one simple tool here. So any
H2
doubts, guys, here?
database, yeah. H2 database, it conforms to the audit, right? Because when we, whatever the tools we use, everything goes through an audit, what the security levels and all those stuff, right?
Yes,
So
exactly.
H2
When you are
supports
going
the,
for the Yes, when we are uploading for when you are trying to do the demo for our clients, right? So they will check all the documentation, what are the security measures we are taking here. So what are the
yes,
components we are using, and what are the unit test cases that we have mentioned. Each and every document they are going to study it out. Okay, if there is any issue, they won't approve our project as well. Okay, so hence we need to do that, all these things. Okay. Okay, so that is all about Jenkins. Sorry, not Jenkins. Sonarqube, guys. Any doubts? Okay, so if not, guys, though, so this is the, so from tomorrow onwards we'll start working on a Jenkins. So this is the URL. So my request is you guys to download this Jenkins. Okay, I will show you how to download, because don't download it directly here. So what the URL which I have mentioned in the chat box, just go to that URL. Okay, and click on this download option, guys, here. Okay, under that you'll find n number of options like this. Okay, like a Docker, Ubuntu, CentOS, Windows. So don't download all these things. Okay, what you can do is, where it went, yeah, here you need to download this generic Java package, that is a .var extension. You need to download this one. Okay, not this when Mac or CentOS or Windows, don't download, just download this var file. Okay, the extension must be .var. Got it, guys? Go to this jenkins.io.download and download the jenkins.var file, guys. Okay, I have mentioned it here clearly. Go to this URL, click on that URL and download the stable version of the Jenkins Java package.var. Okay, so this is the what do you call it, Jenkins software, guys. Okay, please download it while coming tomorrow. Okay, and don't install this software. Okay, it is not how we did, right? Like we set the environment variables. It is not like that. Okay, it is quite different, because as you can see, it is a WAR file, that is a web artifact, right? Okay, so here the installation is quite different. I will show you how to do that, okay, in the next session. That is from tomorrow onwards, we'll start working on a Jenkins. That is a main tool, guys. Okay, right now what are the tools we have learned till now? We will integrate all it with the Jenkins. Okay, and if you are any onboarding new project is there, we wish to configure it from the scratch. Okay, like that tomorrow we will start working on. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and this will be having the many classes, guys, around more than 10 days it may happen. Okay, and don't miss these sessions. Okay, it is very, very important. Jenkins, Docker, and Ansible, and Kubernetes. Okay, so these 4 tools are very, very important. Fine, guys, then tomorrow we'll catch up.
Okay, sir.
Bye,
Thank you.
guys. Yeah, bye, guys. Good night. Have a great day.